Everybody, good morning, teacher and partners. I remember an experience when I had been studying chemistry. Well, uh, when the Puracell volcano, I had been just a guest to the expedition when in the middle of the climb, of the professional mountaineers start to feel bad. I was dizzy, but the other partners could not breathe, and he made use a cardiovascular arrest. We had to go down very fast. My body hurt. The hot weather uh, helped me relax because I had been tired. Likewise, first I was given, and the partner was resuscitated, who in the end died. The partner was an athlete. No one can explain what happened. I have been practicing a sport for several years and conditioned myself, but I never returned.